Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to mount an Fmf on the Husqvarna 701. Still, before starting the installation, I leave you some videos showing the factory exhaust pipe and the Fmf we will install. First, we remove the seat. We remove the upper screws with an Allen key. Then we remove the two screws from the protector that is attached to the plastic. Once removed, we can begin to remove the clamp that holds the exhaust pipe. We test the new exhaust pipe to see if it fits the original. We can see that one of the plates needs to be cut with the radial saw. Once cut, we see that we need to make a custom plate to hold the tube. Finally, since the standard clamp does not work, we must go to a hardware store and buy one for pipes. Ask for the good ones and say it's for an exhaust pipe. With the tube attached, we can now reassemble everything we have disassembled and do the sound tests. Let me show you why you should consider this exhaust pipe as an option, despite the work it entails. Now I'm going to put two short videos in which I go at different rhythms, one in which normal driving is done, and the other where we go harder. In calm or normal driving, the motorcycle has the correct sound, but once we start going hard, that is, we go beyond certain revolutions, the bike makes a lot of noise. I don't think you can appreciate the amount of noise this exhaust makes, but trust me, it's lovely.